All right, now we're going to talk about our sand filters. Sand filter tank can be filled with different types of media. They have basic filter sand, or you can use glass media. The difference between those two is sand, you need to change anywhere between 3 to 5 years, and it filters down to about 20 to 30 microns. The glass media, you get about triple the lifespan out of that. You can get away with changing the glass media anywhere from 10 to 15 years. And that media filters down to 5 microns, so you get a lot better filtration through your sand filter, keeping your pool cleaner and clearer longer. Some things that may come up indicating that it's time to change the sand or the glass media in the sand filter is you having a hard time keeping the pool as clear as you had in the beginning when the sand or glass media was fresh. Indicators like that just let you know it's getting dirty, it's not filtering as well as it could, the media inside is getting beat down from cleaning for so long that it's time to swap the media in the tank. Changing the filter sand, there is a process you have to go through. You need to make sure you plug the skimmer here or shut off one of the slice valves you have in front of the plumbing by pulling the adapter, shutting the valve and twisting it shut. Same thing with the return jet. Take the return jet out, stick a plug in there, come over here, set the multi-port valve to test. There is screw and bolts right here on the collar held together that holds together a clamp. Remove those screws and bolts, the clamp comes apart. Disconnect your unions from your pump to filter hose and your return plumbing. The multi-port valve head comes off, showing the inside of the filter tank where you can see your media. Different options to get it out are shop vac. If you have help, you can tip it over and scrape the media out. Anytime you get it empty, rinse it out with a water hose, get as much of the old media out as possible. Set the tank back on the filter stand. There is the center hub in there. You want to make sure you cover that with anything really, as far as a rubber plug, maybe a bag, water bottle, which is just to keep media from getting inside of that center pipe. Once you have that there, you can start filling up your tank with the desired media that you have.